Hello, everybody. It's Alex Shevchenko here from Aurora. Welcome, everyone, to the Friday Alpha Leaks of the Aurora project. We are here to share with you some exciting news from the developments of the project within the previous week. And we would like to start with a major update of the website. And I'm super happy to show you the new content of the website and the new information that is displayed here, and in general, the new look and feel of everything. So I hope you enjoy it the same way as I'm enjoying it. Super nice layout, super nice set of the different things here. Redesigned all of the aspects of the website, and I hope this will be a nice place for you to start your journey with Aurora. Now, the second big thing for us this week, as always, is an update of the Rainbow Bridge. And within the update of the Rainbow Bridge, we have multiple things happening. And I would like to start with a new cool feature in the Rainbow Bridge. In case you're starting the new transfer, now you're able not only to bridge your assets in between the networks, but what also you can do is send in your assets inside of the single network in between different accounts. So you're able to do the send from I have the address here. You are able to send, for example, on Aurora tokens from one account to another. The reason why this piece of functionality is incorporated is because some of the users were reporting the issues with the transfers, and because of this, they were unable to send their tokens using MetaMask. And this is a solution that helps you to that helps these users to do it. So please use it. A cool, nice feature, complementing the whole set of the features of the Rainbow Bridge. But this is not this. That's not it. That's not only the new. This is not the only one feature that is that has become available within this week inside of the Rainbow Bridge. We also started displaying the information, as you can see here in the top of the screen. We started to show the information about the Aurora news here in the Rainbow Bridge. We figured out that lots of the users are actually visiting Rainbow Bridge website, which is pretty straightforward, right? So, and some of them were asking for putting the information there about the news and what is happening, in the Aurora ecosystem. So we've put a small banner about the news there. That's the same banner or like the similar banner that we are using on the Aurora main website for the news. So you either can read the news, the most recent news on the Rainbow Bridge or on the Aurora website. And last but not least, we added one additional feature. It will be hard for me to show you it right away. So I have a screenshot here. So this is the new feature where that at the moment when the transfer is complete, for example, from Ethereum to Aurora or to Near ecosystem, then or to your network, then we are showing the information about the applications that are available on Aurora or Near respectively. So every time when users are going to do the transfers from Ethereum to Near Aurora, they would be able to instantly go and see the applications within the Aurora and Near ecosystems. This was one of the highly demanded features for the Rainbow Bridge, and now hopefully everyone are going to enjoy it. And by the way, while we are coming back to the Aurora website, I'm reminding everybody that this is a live stream. You are able to ask your questions. In the end of the stream, we would be happy to answer these questions. So in case there was something interesting that you would like to understand, yeah, go on. Now we're coming to the section of the partner launches. And if you would like to track the applications that are running on top of Aurora, well, we have a number here right now. So now 49 plus projects are running on Aurora, and these are only the ones that we know. So there are multiple launches within the previous week. First of all, Radom network, the project that is working in the IoT space, they received the grant from NEAR and Aurora, and they are going to build on Aurora network. So super cool! Congratulations! Welcome, Radom community, to Aurora. We also have a Renaissance DAO, which is the DAO that is dealing with NFTs and owning the NFTs. And this is one of the first projects, the NFT projects on top of Aurora. Obviously, there are some other projects already there, but now this is a full DAO that is launched on Aurora with a focus on the NFTs. Onomy is the project that is working in the DeFi ecosystem, and they have been launching on Near blockchain, and now they are to deploy hybrid DEX and Forex marketplace on Aurora. So super cool. Enjoying viewing that they are expanding onto Aurora also from Near. And an additional project that is working in the DeFi ecosystem is Autonio Foundation. So again, congratulations to Autonio to go in multi-chain, and welcome Autonio community. Now we're coming to a little bit not that pleasant news. So the ones who are following the information on Twitter and crypto Twitter and in general news outlets, you probably already know that there was a hack happening of the multi-chain tech, and there was a critical vulnerability for 6 tokens that were available within the multi-chain ecosystem. So so we highly recommend all of the users who are using multi-chain go to this publication on the Medium of the multi-chain and to do all of the steps that are described in this publication. And this is particularly important for the users for Aurora, because multi-chain is integrated with Aurora, and potentially some of the Aurora users are using multi-chain at the moment. As far as we know, there were no comments from any users about the problems with this hack, and when we were connecting with multi-chain developers, this hack should not affect Aurora users. However, it is always a good thing to check twice on this, and actually do all of the steps that are described here. And so please, everybody who have been trying to use multi-chain, who have bridge tokens using multi-chain, please take a little bit of your time and make your assets safe. One of the steps for making your assets safe is actually to revoke the approvals for the smart contracts of the multi-chain, and this is the Aurora community.io. This is the place where you are able to do it. One additional thing is actually we already have right now a week of the operations of the Aurora pool.near, and the new pool of the Aurora. I enjoy that community is super active about it. Some of the members of the community enjoying the fact that there is such a new pool. Others are raising concerns about the decentralizations, and I'm super excited that community is taking care of this. So all of the great conversations, many of them are happening on Aurora forum and on Near governance forum. So in case you're interested in all of these conversations, please go there, participate, and let's find all of the issues, and let's solve all of the issues. Now, one small issue that was found just recently, this was the actual really small bug in the smart contract that was causing, it was like the combination of the different factors, but the main problem was in the fact that the rewards were not counted properly, and because of this, people have been losing around 10 to the -7% per day of their funds, which is obviously a super small amount. However, we should not tolerate these bugs, and because of this, so the smart contract right now is not working correctly, right? And because of this, the developers of the smart contract already fixed and created the pull request to fix everything in that smart contract. However, in order to offset the loss of within the week operation, though it is super small, Aurora Labs created a proposal to the Aurora DAO to decrease the fee of the validator from 100% to 99%. So all of the money are going to be returned, and moreover, stakers or like delegators to the Aurora validator are going to receive some additional NEAR. So this is just the informational thing. The tech is pretty new, especially with this validator contract, though it was extensively already tested and reviewed. Some small bugs like this may appear. So hopefully you can, like, I hope you can understand it. Cool. Now, going on to the massive update of the documentation website. So this is for all of the developers. Many of you have been asking us to add some additional information, so it will be a little bit easier to search for the things in the Aurora ecosystem. So the documentation was heavily updated. There were multiple pieces that were added here, into information about the integration with indexers, information about the integration with oracles. Hopefully this is going to be a little bit simpler right now for the developers to find information on the documentation. So I hope you will enjoy it. As always, last but not least, advertising the fact that we have quite a lot of open positions in Aurora Labs. And in case you are looking forward to working in Aurora Labs and moving the technology of Aurora forward, developing the protocol, and helping Aurora DAO to build a great ecosystem, then please join us, or at least consider it. Yeah. So at this moment in time, I'm going to stop sharing my screen and going to check what is happening on the YouTube, whether you have any of the questions. Yeah, there is a question about EtherScan integration. So we are working on it. The EtherScan integration right now is in the beta mode. It is closed beta mode. We are testing it. Already the developers are able to see, well, internally, what is happening there. But we are not yet ready to show it publicly, because there are some small issues with this integration, which are now fixed. So I do not want to promise you any timelines here, but probably the EtherScan is going to be released quite soon, if everything will go smoothly. And I believe that was one big question right now. So thank you all for joining this call, and looking forward to continuing our work. We have quite a lot of updates the following weeks. So stay tuned, and have a nice end of the day and weekend. See you in exactly. Okay. There are some new questions appearing. So the question is there any timeline for non-CLI withdrawal for Aurora rewards from the validator? And do they auto-compound like NEAR does? So there is no auto-compounding, because like you are not able to stake Aurora at the moment. So it's only NEAR which is compounding there. So the questions about the timeline for the non-CLI withdrawals, it's better for you to go to the wallet team, because this is in their domain of responsibility, right? So unfortunately, we are unable to influence this. Well, we are trying to push it a little bit, but this is their domain of responsibility. Is there a minimum year to stake to get rewards on the validator? I believe no. There is no low limit on this. So in case you have 0.001 year, you're still able to stake. It's just the amount of rewards that influenced. Okay. So some of the validator questions answered. Right now, hopefully everybody how happy. And again, see you in exactly 1 week from now, and enjoy free transactions on Aurora. Goodbye.